In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set filters in Gmail to organize your email more effectively. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the number of daily emails clogging your inbox, you're in the right place. We will walk through a simple process to create filters that will help you automatically sort, categorize, and manage your emails, so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, you'll want to locate the search bar at the top. This powerful tool will serve as the starting point for creating your filters. Here, you can enter specific criteria to capture the emails you want to organize. For instance, you could type in an email address, subject line, or keywords that commonly appear in the messages you want to filter. After entering your desired criteria, click on the small triangle icon on the right side of the search bar to open the advanced search options. This is where the magic happens. You can specify criteria such as the sender's email address, the recipient, keywords, or even the email size. You can also choose to filter emails that include attachments or exclude certain words. Be as detailed as possible to ensure accurate filtering. Once you've set your parameters, look for the Create Filter link at the bottom of the drop-down window. This is where you'll decide what action you want Gmail to take with emails that match your criteria. A variety of options are available to you. You might choose to have the emails skip your inbox entirely and go straight to a specific label, effectively organizing them into folders for easy access later. Alternatively, you might want to mark them as read, archive them, or even delete them. Gmail filters also allow for additional customization. You can choose to star emails, mark them as important, or forward them to another email address. You can apply more than one action, so feel free to select multiple options if necessary. Once you're satisfied with your selections, don't forget to check the box that says, "Also apply filter to matching conversations." This will ensure the filter is applied to existing emails as well, not just new ones. Finally, click Create Filter to put this handy tool to work. Congratulations! You've just created your first Gmail filter. By automating the organization of your inbox, you're on your way to a more streamlined email experience. You can revisit these steps and create additional filters to further refine your email management strategy. With a little upfront effort, you'll save loads of time and reduce the stress that unwieldy inboxes can cause. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to implement these tips and make your email routine much smoother. Remember, a little organization goes a long way, so happy filtering.